Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier sessions, we have looked into the different data types present in Python programming language. So we have covered the list, the tuple, the sets and the dictionary data types. And in today's session, let's look into file handling in Python programming language. So friends, till now we used to get input from the console and we used to display the output on the console. So now with the help of files, we can read data from the file, text file or a binary file, and we can also write data into the text file or a binary file, or we can append data into the text file or the binary file. And one more thing is, if we print the details on the console, it will be it will not be there after the program has been executed once we switch off the computer. But with file handling, the details will be permanently captured within the files. So when we have large data and we want to save that particular data, we can go in for the files concept in Python programming language. So friends, what does this files do? File handling means we can open the file in the read mode or the write mode or the append mode, and we can add data or read data from the files. So how do we do this? For this, the first step which we have to remember is we have to open the file. We have to open the file initially. So firstly, we have to open the file and we have to mention. So this we can do with open function, built-in function, and it takes two parameters. One is the file name and other is the access mode. And this we can store it in a file object. So this is the file object. Our file object is assigned to this particular open function, which opens the file in the specified access mode. So once we open the file, then we can perform read, write or append functionality. We can perform read, write or append functionality. And after reading or writing or appending the details to the file has to be explicitly closed. So we have to close the file. So finally we have, once the operations are completed, that is read or write or append, then we have to explicitly close the file. So these three things we should remember while working with files. Firstly, we create a file object by opening the file in the specified access mode. Then we do a read or a write or append to this particular file, and then we close the file with the file object. We also perform the read, write and append functionality with the file object. So these three things we have to remember while working with files. So firstly, we open the file with this particular statement, that is f1 equal to open file name access mode. So if the file is present in the Python directory, then you can just specify the file name. If the file is present in any other directory, then you have to specify the full path of the file name. And access mode. So now let's see what are the different access modes available in files. The first one is R, that is read access mode. The second is W, that is write. Third one is append. This is access modes in text file. So the various access modes for the text file. Similarly, we have access modes for the binary file. So we have the binary, which is the image files. For binary files, the access mode is RB, WB and AB. So functionality wise, RWA is similar to RB, WB, AB, but only thing is this happens on a text file, whereas this access mode is for the binary files. So what is the R access mode refer to? It is used for reading purposes, reading a file. It is used for reading a file, and the file pointer points to the beginning of the file. Points to the beginning of the file. It will read from the beginning of the file. And if we give this particular read, then the file should exist in the specified path. File should exist. And the file should exist. So this is the read mode. It is used only for reading purposes. The file pointer points to the beginning of the file and the file should exist in the specified path. Second one is the write mode. It is used for writing purposes. For writing purposes, the file pointer again points to the beginning. Pointer points to the beginning. It points to the beginning of the file. And here there are two scenarios. One is if the file exists. So if the file name specified exists in the system, then the contents will be overwritten. So whatever new contents we are specifying, the new contents will override the existing contents in this particular file. Suppose the file does not exist. Then it will create create the specified file. Then it will create the file and write the contents. So this is for W, that is the write mode. Then comes A, which is the append mode. It is used for appending the data. It is used for appending the data. In this case, the pointer points to the end of the file pointer points to the end of the data. Here also it can have two scenarios. What if the file exists? And what if file not exist? So if the file exists, it will append the data to the existing data. Append data to the existing data. And and suppose the file not exist, it will create the file. It will create the file and write the data. And write the data. So friends, access modes are of three types. One is read, the other one is write, and the third one is append. For read, if we don't specify any access mode, by default, it will consider R as the access mode. So by default, it will consider read as the access mode if we don't specify any access mode. The file pointer points to the beginning of the file and the file should exist. So the file should exist in this particular case, otherwise it will raise an error. In the write mode, it is used for writing purposes. The file pointer again points to the beginning of the file. And if file exists, then the contents will be overwritten. So whatever data was there in the file previously, it will be erased fully and the new data will be overwritten on it. And if the file does not exist, then it will create the file specified with the name over here and it will write the data into that particular file. Append. It is used for appending the data. The file pointer points to the end of the data. So wherever the data has ended, it will point to that particular position. If the file exists, from the ending position of the data, it will append the data to the existing data. And if the file does not exist, it will create the file and write the data into it. So, example for F1 is, we can specify F1 is the object equal to open. Then we can give D drive, we can specify the path sample.txt. It should have txt for the text file and we can specify the access mode. I can give it in double quotes W. So this has opened the file for writing purposes. For reading purposes, we can make it equal to R. And for appending, we can make the access mode equal to A. So this is how we open the file in the specified access mode by specifying the file name. So hope so friends, it is clear for you how to open the file, how to do the operation. Then we can do the operations on it and we have to close the file explicitly after doing the reading or writing or appending details into the file. Hope so it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.